Hey friend, if you're taking cruises regularly, you are sitting on one of the most fun, creative, and even profitable opportunities that most people never tap into. And it truly doesn't matter why you'd want to do it. Maybe you want a hobby that gives you purpose and keeps you connected in retirement. Maybe you want to avoid being bored in retirement and need a place to be creative. Maybe you love sharing your experiences and helping people. Or maybe you just want to earn a little extra income. If you love cruising, you need a YouTube channel, and it's not all about the money. In this video, I'm going to show you why you need one and how to do it. I'll also show you why it's easier than you think, including the monetary and non-monetary benefits, and I'm going to prove to you that you don't even need to show your face unless you want to. Listen, even if you've never thought about making YouTube videos, I want you to hear me out for just a minute. Did you know that 1 or 2 videos per year can give you enough content to build a real YouTube channel around something that you already do and already love? Stick with me until the end of this video and I'll show you why there's plenty of room for new cruise channels, how you can naturally find your own lane to talk about, and how YouTube can either pay for your cruises or become one of the most fulfilling hobbies you've ever had. Hey y'all, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I'm Linnell. I sold everything and now I live on cruise ships full time. If this video is a blessing to you, I want to encourage you to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on notifications. Hit the bell for all notifications so that you never ever miss another video. And follow me on my journey from poverty to paradise. A recent article was published listing the 500 top cruise YouTubers. Based on rates paid by YouTube advertisers, that equates to about $36 million in combined revenue in 2025. This means that the average cruise creator earns about $72,000 a year. Some more, some less, but on average, $72,000. I've been doing this part-time, about 4 hours a day, for about 18 months. And in the last 365 days, I made $73,652. Most cruisers have no idea this opportunity exists. And I'm not doing anything complicated. All I'm doing is filming what I'm already doing and talking about things that I'm already learning while I'm on board. That's right, I didn't start out as an expert. I'm learning as I go and sharing as I learn. And friend, you can absolutely do this too. There are actually thousands of cruise channels. Each one has a unique selling proposition. You don't need to be the best, just be the one that shows up. For me, it's living full-time on cruise ships. What I haven't seen and where you can be very unique is there isn't anybody who is the Carnival cruise expert, the Celebrity or Virgin or NCL or MSC or Holland America cruise expert. I know if you're watching, you have your favorite cruise line that you go on all the time. Sick the Solo Cruiser is an expert in solo, introverted, and gluten-free cruising, but there's no one who is the solo budget cruising expert. Check out Rosalind Lachey. She's always posting cheap solo cruise deals, but her channel, which is amazing, I love watching her. Her channel is about general travel and other things. Someone needs to be the cruise expert in this messaging of how to find inexpensive solo cruise deals without using casino deals like I do. And that could easily be you. The opportunities to become the go-to source in cruising are endless. Friend, I know you are unique. Don't tell me that you're not. Tell us in the comments what you already know about cruising that you wish someone had a channel about. This helps you see what topics resonate, and it also helps me understand what you as a viewer care about. Here are a few other opportunities for cruise content: European cruising, repositioning cruising, cruise port expert, casino cruising expert, over 50 plus cruising, and the list goes on and on. I can talk forever on this subject, but you get the point. You don't need to live full-time on cruise ships like I do. Every cruise gives you plenty of content. Just film what you're already seeing and doing while you're on a cruise, and when you're back home, take your time and create 1 video per week. My friends Sean and Tina's channel got monetized after making 9 videos, and all they're doing is posting 1 video per week from what they're learning, so don't tell me this can't be done. And my friend Laura Jimenez, her channel got monetized after only 2 weeks of being on YouTube. Again, don't tell me it's not possible because I see it being done. There is so much content you can create from one cruise. People are searching for the same things you're searching for. Ship tours, cabin hacks, best, worst cabin locations, tours of the spas, tours of the gyms, the quiet places on cruise ships, secret entrances and hidden decks, food tours, what's included in a cruise, what's an upcharge for a cruise, specialty dining reviews, best bars and lounges, what it's like to get on the ship, what it's like to get off the ship, what to do, what to skip, port excursions, budget guides like what $20 gets you in this port, safety for solo cruisers, general safety while cruising, cruise story times, lessons learned, comparisons of cabins, comparisons of ships, comparisons of cruise lines, cost breakdowns, was it worth it, how you booked your cruise, and how to get cheap deals, and so much more. Just in that list alone, and there's so much more, but just in that list, I just gave you over 6 months of ideas from one cruise. 1 or 2 cruises a year equal content that you can talk about all year long. But here's the thing. You don't want to just create videos for the sake of creating videos. You need the people who are searching for your content to find your videos. And that's where YouTube After 40 comes in. This is the course that I use to get you and millions of other viewers to be able to find me and watch my videos, and how over 100,000 people decided that they want to see more of my content, not through luck, but through strategy. Don't just willy-nilly try to make YouTube videos. Click the link in the video description and learn how to do this the right way. Why not let YouTube pay for your cruises? Most people spend around $2,000 to $5,000 per year for cruising. Some creators, myself included, make over $70,000 a year. Even at $1,000 per month, YouTube income can offset or fully cover your cruise costs and give you extra money in your pocket. Cruise videos are evergreen, so they earn money for years after you've posted them. Your videos can earn for 10 to 20 years because cruise ships stay in service for that long. Cruise ships can stay on the high seas for over 20 years, which means millions of people will be searching for your content for a very long time. You don't need to have a viral video. Slow plus steady plus consistent content equals income. If you're watching this channel, you're probably already cruising anyway. People over 40 like to watch people over 40. It's human nature. We just like to see people who look like us, who think the same way we do, who have the same kinds of likes that we have. People who are around your age are gonna watch you. On top of that, advertisers pay more for cruise content than some other types of videos because cruise audiences have high disposable income. And check this out. You don't need to be on camera. Just like I wasn't in this video, your voice and your perspective equals more than enough. Contrary to the few naysayers, very few creators film on board, so there's not a negative stigma around filming like people try and make you think it is. All you need is your cell phone. Most people on vacation are filming parts of their vacation on board with their cell phone or their personal camera anyway. You don't need to invest in or lug around professional gear. No one will know you're filming for YouTube unless you tell them. Most guests love waving to the camera. Cruise members welcome being filmed and will often make an extra effort to jump in your video. Plus, on top of all that, cruise content is super easy to make. It took me about an hour to brainstorm this video, 30 minutes to create the title and thumbnail, 20 minutes to record, and an hour to edit. I already had all the footage you saw in the video from previous recordings that I made while I was having fun on my cruises. That's less than 4 hours to create one video that will earn me hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for many years to come. Don't believe me? Here's a challenge. Copy the link to this video, paste it in your phone calendar 6 months from now, and put a note of how many views it has today. When your phone reminds you in 6 months, check and see how many views this video has. Multiply the views by 2 cents each. That's how much money this video will earn from just 4 hours of work. Now, let's pretend I make 2 videos per week. I can make 48 videos in 6 months. Multiply how much I made from that one video times 48, only working 8 hours a week. You'll see that it'll pay for 2 cruises per year and a whole lot extra. You know how people used to call the TV a tube? Well, YouTube is like your own TV channel on the internet. You get to make the videos, so it's called YouTube, because you get to be the one making the content, like having your own TV channel. YouTube is basically TV where you are the star. It gives you purpose plus fun and community in retirement. YouTube becomes your digital scrapbook that documents your journey, and your story may be exactly what your family or someone else needs to hear. It creates a legacy for you. There are more people cruising than ever before. There are more new ships coming every year. The same way you found this video, more viewers are searching and scrolling for more cruise content. The cruise niche is not saturated. Lots of people love my channel, but I'm not the right fit for everybody. You may be the person that others need to hear from, and they're out here searching for you right now. There are huge gaps in cruise content waiting to be filled, and you are the person who has that information to share. People watch people who look and feel like them, especially over 40. You get to be you, whether you're on camera like I usually am or not, like I did in this video. Your channel is whatever you decide. That's why it's called YouTube. That I'm aware of, nobody regrets starting a YouTube channel. They do regret waiting so long to make one though. 5 years from now, you'll wish you had filmed that cruise that you're on today. Friend, no matter what your motivation is, the cruise niche is waiting for your voice. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in class.